In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a sprinter start with a TRX. Now, there are multiple different variations of this exercise, and this is variation number 1. So if you're looking for a slightly different variant, I'll put exactly the same title of this video, but variation number 2 and variation number 3. All right, so first thing I want you to do is once you've set up your TRX, I want you to pop the TRX handles in front of your body, and you're either going to be in a position where you're at the top of the hip, so these handles at the top of the hip, you can find the hip bone by just palpating the front of the top of your hip, and then from here you can also have them slightly lower than that position as well. So anywhere really from there to there is where you're going to be with the handles. The reason why there's such a variation is different leg lengths, different heights of individuals, but as long as you're within that region, you should be fine to at least start off. Then you can refine the position from there, what suits you best. Now notice how I'm going to bring the handle underneath my armpit and elbow on both sides. I'm standing directly below the TRX, and what I want is to make sure again that I've got those handles in line. So it's my check number 2, if you like. I don't want to be like this when I'm starting the exercise. Now, I've got to get the handles in line with my chest, so I'm going to lean forwards, trying to keep a nice straight back. From here, one of my legs is going to come forwards, and one's going to stay in the position it's in now. So if I bring my left leg forwards, once I'm here, what I'm going to do is for this variation, I'm going to bring my right leg forwards, and then I'm going to come into a double calf raise. So I'm going to show you really slowly, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in real time. So slowly, like so. Fast. Like so. When you come forwards, you're requiring trunk stabilization, so your core and lower back is working, your arms are locked in, doing pretty much an isometric contraction to keep those TRX handles in and close to your body. Also as well, we've got the calf raise, as well as several stabilizers of the leg and the hips. That's how to do the first version or variation of your TRX sprint start.